So can you see how full that channel drain is? I know it's hard to get a picture in there, but it's just full of sand. So using the mini jetter hooked up to the pressure washer, we're able to clean this channel drain and make it brand new. Can you see the power of that little nozzle as it goes through that channel drain? If your pool patio floods and you have a channel drain, of course you know that that little tiny drain needs to be cleaned. And what's amazing is that this little 2-inch drain can actually function during a hurricane. It will keep up with the flow of water, but it must be cleaned in order to do so. Look at how much sand and debris is down inside of that channel drain. And remember, it was packed tight together. You can do this yourself. You can find that mini jet on Amazon or at a good hardware store. They're not that expensive, for 50 feet plus a couple of nozzles. And you hook that up to your pressure washer and look at what it can do. I mean, it's just totally clearing all the debris from this channel drain.
So right here was her complaint on the video. Do you remember? Look at all that sand that's being pushed out of there with that jetter. This line runs downhill the wrong direction. It's coming this way and trying to escape around that corner. And look how full it is.
This is a great project for the DIY. I mean, you can do this and truly save yourself $500–600 versus calling a company out here to clean it like we're doing. The biggest problem with cleaning these channel drains is, yes, you can get it clean, but it must have a place to discharge. Watch here to the end and you'll see where the water's trying to come out. And what we have to do is clear that area at the end of the channel drain to make it function properly.
So we're going to run that a couple times, and then we'll rinse this all off with the hose again, test it. We may have to run it 5 or 6 times, whatever it takes to get that sand out of that line. The jetter works really cool. I've showed you that before. It's got one nozzle that points and cuts, and it's got 4 nozzles in the back that blow the debris out back towards you. So as you pull that back, can you see it? As you pull it back, it pulls the debris along with it, and it washes and cleans that entire line. Looks the same in a pipe, however this is square. Let's see what's happening back here.
So if you notice the discharge, that area was totally blocked. It was all the debris, the gravel, everything, the grass had blocked that up completely. We had to kind of dig that out to give it a place to go. You need to do this too. Better is to put a pipe, right there with a little catch basin and send it out back or out front and get it away from the area. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Don't forget about live help, video consultation via Zoom. Sign up online.